Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Beats Solo 4 to your iPhone. So all you have to do is ensure that the Bluetooth, or rather Bluetooth has been enabled on your iPhone. So simply go to settings on your iPhone, and then within the settings, scroll down and select Bluetooth and ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your iPhone. Now once you have enabled Bluetooth, all you have to do is put the Beats Solo 4 into pairing mode. Now to do that, you have to power on the Beats Solo 4 first. So let's just power them on. So press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to turn them on. And then once you're on, you should see this light indicating that they have been successfully powered on. Now once they are turned on, all you have to do is press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. And then you should see this light flash rapidly, indicating that they're in pairing mode. So press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. And then you should see the light flash rapidly. Now they're in pairing mode. So once they're in pairing mode, all you have to do, you should see this prompt on your iPhone. So simply tap on connect and they should successfully connect your Beats Solo 4 with your iPhone. However, if you don't see this preview, you can simply go back to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, and then your device will start scanning for any available Bluetooth devices. And once your Beats Solo 4 has been discovered, simply tap on them, and that will begin the pairing process. And then you should see connected, indicating that they're successfully connected to your iPhone. Now you can now play music on your phone, and you can hear them coming, or you can hear the audio coming out from your Bluetooth speaker, or rather your Beats Solo 4. So that's basically it on how to connect your Beats Solo 4 with your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.